Ma, I have come to tell you that I have chosen to share in your son's pain. If marrying him will be his last wish, then I'll grant it.
My daughter, you don't have to do this.
I have made up my mind. I will grant his request.
And what could that be?
Mom. She has accepted to sit on my bedside. Where I take my last breath.
Come. My daughter, I have seen the love you have for my son. It's undreamed of. I wish you both love and peace in this little time.
Hello, bro.
You didn't tell me you were coming home.
Oh yes, I know I did. I didn't tell you, but I saw your pre-wedding post on Instagram, so I didn't want to miss out on anything. So when is the date?
On Saturday. On Saturday. Yeah, thank God you're home. Automatically that makes you my best man.
Just like that.
Just like that. Alright, you're welcome. My bad. Sorry. My fiancée. My wife to be. Her name is Juliet.
Wow.
Yeah. Juliet, my younger brother. My stubborn younger brother. Best.
She's really beautiful.
Alright, you're welcome. I was about seeing her off, so I'll be right back.
Why do you want her to leave? She can at least sleep over and then go tomorrow.
Mom is around.
Yeah. Mom. Alright, so I'll be in there waiting, But let me go and meet Mom. Do take care of her,
I'll be right back. Okay, sorry.
Mom, she's beautiful.
I know how eyes and
Yeah.
Don't worry. You can go in and gist with your brother. I'm fine.
I don't think she wants to marry you because she loves you. Yes, because she knows how much she's going to be worth if she finally marries you. And then when you're gone, you know how desperate girls can be.
I know. I know we have so many desperate girls out there. Daughters of Jezebels everywhere. Blood-sucking demon girls everywhere. But you see this? She's none of them. She's a good girl. She has a good heart. Trust me.
So when did you meet her?
A few weeks ago.
Few weeks ago?
Yes.
And you've concluded that she is in love with you?
Exactly.
Big bro, I expect you to know better.
Come on. Stop making me feel like I don't know what I'm doing. I know that girl. That girl is an angel in human form. Trust me.
If you ask for my honest opinion,
Okay.
I will tell you that that girl does not love you.
Come on. Mom can testify to that. Oh, little brother, I understand you're trying to watch my back. Huh? But don't worry. Everything will be fine. She's a good girl.
Okay, it's alright. I'll support you.
Oh, come on. That is what I want to hear from you.
No, I'll
All right, I'll be fine. So tell me. I don't understand. What is going on?
I've got you back anytime, any day.
All right.
I came to ask you a question.
I'm all ears.
I heard you're getting married to him.
Yes, tomorrow. Do you have any problem with that?
Are you marrying him because you love him more? Is it his money?
You already know the truth. Nobody wants to remain a second-class citizen forever.
Oh, really? Wow.
Now that you've confirmed it, can I lock the door?
I was offered a job in your office. Your position, actually. So I was thinking, did you resign or they wanted to replace you behind you?
Think no more, because I am going to become a CEO soon. Can I lock my door?
Are you asking me out of your house?
You know what? It is obvious you are not ready to leave, so when you are done, lock the door behind you.
Seriously?
There's nothing wrong with loving someone, but it's terrible when you love the wrong one. Your heart and emotions will be toyed with. Yes, it will. Your decisions and actions will be affected negatively. You'll be manipulated. Oh, and taking advantage of. Yeah.
Why would she be so mean to you? I know she loves you. But she's doing all of this because of money. God, please. Please bless me with money. I need money, plenty of money.
I'm sorry.
I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
I thought you'd moved on.
How am I supposed to move on when my heart is somewhere else? How?
France, I have told you this before. This life will serve you sweet and bitterness. But we have to take it all and enjoy it.
When am I going to enjoy the sweet part of this life? Tell me, when?
Very soon. After the sun comes the rain. Just calm down. Everything will be fine. Please.
That you will regret If you don't wake up to reality, it could be too late
I'll
for
talk to you
you.
later.
Cause you could end up losing it all. Losing it all. Better love the one who loves you. It's the best thing. It's the best thing to do. If you love the one who doesn't love you.
Mom, I don't like her. Do you really know her too well?
Not at all. But through her actions, I come to realize she is from a good home.
From her actions. From her actions. Why is it amongst everyone in this house that I am the only one seeing that this girl is after my money? Why?
My dear, as far as Miles loves her and she loves him, I'm okay with the union.
Mom, you're talking about love. You're still talking about love. Mom, have you seen a girl in our class ever fall in love for a poor guy? Mom, this lady is out to reap where she did not sow. Can't you see, mother? She wants to reap where she did not sow.
Son, let God judge. And I don't want to talk about this again. It will make me think Miles will die tomorrow. Please, I don't want to talk about it anymore.
What am I gonna do? What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? See what I've done to myself. Oh, see what I've done.
Francis,
Yes.
you're crying. Wait, Francis. Don't tell me you have been this way since morning. This was the exact point I left you when I was going for work.
Today is a very bad day for me.
Oh my God. Is your mother okay? Francis, stop now. Is Mama okay?
Julie got married today. Julie got married. Didn't you hear what I just said?
Look, I decided not to give you audience for rubbish. Francis, when I ask you, when you go get sense? Why do you money make you go cut your hair? It makes sense they enter your head. God bless you now, the sense now not the enter your head because of this hair.
Uche, why are you so heartless? Why are you this mean?
In fact, if I slap you, no, I will just need to slap you one day, make your sense come back to normal. After all, they'll come meeting for us, say 2 tenants fights.
What have I done to myself?
I don't blame you. I blame your upbringing.
See what I've done to myself. Oh, see what.
Honey, please let's not get teary tonight. It's our wedding night. I mean, our honeymoon just got started. So, let's enjoy it to the fullest. And now let me see how your mom is going to come knock on the door to tell us that we are committing fornication.
Alright, let me go take a shower.
Wait. So you were going to actually go take your shower alone? Can't you see I am actually waiting for you? So that we can hop into the shower together. Yeah.
Alright.
You know, let me just turn on the heater.
Okay.
Honey, so I've turned it on. Get up so you can take off your clothes. Get up. Get up, honey, and take off your clothes. Honey, get up and take off your clothes. Honey, get up. Honey. Honey. No, this is not happening.
Doctor. Both my brothers need to make it.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Doctor, you have to do your best. Please, you have to do all you can to make sure that my brother survives this. Please, I beg you, the only brother I have. Please, doctor, please, I beg you.
You know, I've been on this case for the past 10 years. It was discovered late.
Oh my God.
Where's my son?
He's
In there.
the lady crying inside here.
That's my brother's wife. He just got married yesterday.
You know, I have to be honest with you right now. You have to be real. You have told you something as a man.
Is my brother dead? Doctor, talk to me. Is my brother dead?
I'm sorry. We did everything. Kindness. Jesus. Hello.
Why is his body cold?
We are taking him to the theater.
To the theater? Why? What happened?
Please.
Oh, please. Can I pray for him?
Please.
Oh, madam, we don't have much time for that. We have to do our job.
Doctor, we want to pray for him.
Do you
Pray to God.
I said I want to pray for my son, and you are telling me that you don't have time.
Madam, this will delay Amatesero situation, please.
Sorry?
This will delay Amatesero situation.
It cannot escalate anything, doctor. We just want to...
Madam. First thing they find you for outside.
Who's that?
Oga Prince.
Francis.
Yes, madam.
Let him in.
So, madam.
Good evening.
Please sit, you can go.
Thank you very much.
Hi, Francis.
I'm fine.
So, work. Yes, how is the new job going?
Well, it's going very fine. My last experience with the company is a good teacher.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
And your mom, I mean, how is your mom?
Oh yes, I spoke to her today before going to work. She's very fine.
Oh, awesome. Great. Good.
Ma'am, I came to thank you for everything you've been doing for me. I'm truly sorry for keeping my distance because I do not know if I will live up to your expectations as a lover. Yes.
Francis.
Ma'am.
Sit with me. Come on. Really? You should. That hurts. I mean, it's... it's...
Oh yes, it does.
So you should... Sit here. I mean, it's just for a couple of minutes. It's...
Alright.
Okay. Better, right?
I'm fine.
Francis. If I did not feel anything for you, I wouldn't say I feel something when I don't or didn't. I'm sorry. I like you. I do feel something for you. I don't know. And I feel like it's best I tell you how I feel. So I like you.
You know, it's obvious that no woman, except my mother, has loved and cared for me the way you do. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
It's nothing. So, I was thinking of going to the room upstairs to wait for you.
So that's not a bad idea.
Okay. So, I should go up?
Yes.
So I'm going up.
I will meet you upstairs.
Okay. Hey.
That was nice.
It was right. Thank you. I'm going back to work now.
Oh yes.
I have to get to work.
So I have a little something for you.
Oh,
Small, but I guess you can manage it.
darling, this is too much.
Listen, you're mine now. Anything that makes you happy is just what I'm going to do.
Thank you so much for everything you do for me. Do I deserve all those good things?
And more. So what?
Yes, but I promise you I'll be here as soon as I'm done.
Promise.
Of course I promise.
No, it's because if you don't come, I'll come there and pick you up myself.
Hey, I cross my heart. I'll be here as soon as I'm done. Okay?
Awesome.
Thank you.
First, where are we going from here?
We are leaving this hospital.
Why? Why are we leaving this place?
They
Why?
They are moving him to another hospital.
Moving him to another hospital?
Yes.
Why are they moving him to another hospital? Why?
If you people don't want to join me, let's go. Then you people will remain here while I leave.
First, what is going on here? Huh? Why are you being unnecessarily harsh to me this morning?
What is going on?
Best! 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 Smile, please. Please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Please just stay a little longer. Best, please just stay a little longer. We just got married. Don't do this to me. Where do I start from?
First, what are we doing? Huh? First, what sort of action is this? I thought you were taking us to the hospital, where my son is. What are we doing here?
Mom.
Please come and take us to the hospital where my son is. Let me see him.
Mom. I am not taking you to any hospital.
Best, I don't want to be angry with you. Do you hear me? I have taken enough of this your rubbish. Please come and take me to the hospital where my son was transferred to.
Mom, you want me to take you to the hospital so you continue your prayers. And Mom, you want me to take you to the hospital so that you will continue your prayers instead of letting Mars have his medical attention. Mom, I won't stop, and I will never stop blaming you for Mars' condition. If you had told us earlier, maybe we could have helped him. But all you did was to pray for him, even when he needed medical attention, Mom.
Best, I am trying so hard to respect you as my brother-in-law.
Can you please take us to the hospital where he was transferred to?
Yeah.
We need to see him and know how the surgery went.
Please, let's go. You are still wasting time, Best.
There is no hospital.
Excuse me? What are you saying? What do you mean?
My brother, Max, is dead.
What? What? What?
Mars. Mars is dead. Mars is dead. Mars.
Best.
Ah! My mouth is gone! My mouth is gone! I am shattered! I am shattered! I will never be alright again! My husband left me!
Julie, it's okay.
I will never be alright again! I'll never be alright again!
You will. You'll be fine. It's okay, you'll be fine. Okay, I'll just sit down. I am very sorry about the death of your brother. I'm really sorry about that. Was it an accident?
What did I just hear you say?
You know, he was all lively yesterday during the wedding reception. How come all of a sudden he died just like that?
I will not take your coming here to be an act of ignorance, knowing you fully well that your friend married my brother because of his wealth, even when she knows that he was going to die soon.
Excuse me?
You're quite excused.
What is going on?
You don't understand. You don't understand what is going on here. Hmm? Your friend thinks that she's very smart. That she can come into my home and take all that my brother labored for, and I will sit and fold my hands. Hmm? So listen. See that game that she thinks that she knows how to play? I will play it better. Tell her that she's joking. I won't sit here and watch her take everything that my brother labored for.
Yourself. I have to go and tell my husband's people what has just happened. Please, I'm coming. It's like everyone has a problem with you. There's something wrong that I don't know.
I want to love this house. I said, I want to love this house.
Why? This is my husband's house. Is it your tradition or something?
I have tried so long, so much, to avoid you. I have tried my best to avoid you. But since I cannot, then I'll have to face you. Since it is in your people's tradition to reap where they did not sow.
Excuse me?
I will spell it out to you. You are a gold digger!
What?
And you just have 10 minutes to leave this house.
Pissed.
Or you think I don't know? You think you can deceive us all with your crocodile tears? You think I don't know that you agreed to marry my brother because he showed all of his establishments? You think that we don't know that the reason why you married him is because of all he has? And you're here, waiting to take all of this. You just have 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And let's not forget. You see that car there? You are not going with it. You are leaving it behind.
Esther, that is my cup. My spot, that cup for me.
I have told you. You are not leaving with that car. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
You are...
You can't keep doing this. Please. If you cry from today till tomorrow, he will never come back. Just take it easy on yourself. Okay, just enough. I don't want you to fall ill. Take, try.
The devil is wicked. Don't say too much. Just go. Go back to the village. Go. Mama, I said you should go.
I should go? What have I done? What have I done that will make me go?
Don't get me angry, please. Don't get me angry. Go back. Go back home.
Julie, why are you being so harsh on your mother? But that's not right now. Julie. You have to take it easy on yourself, please. Okay, please. Please, okay. Julie, it's okay. Please.
Thanks for the drink.
Thanks for the time.
I must say that you're really cool, smart, and bold.
And I think you're forgetting one of my attributes.
You're handsome.
Oh, I just wanted you to break it down.
So where's your car?
Oh, at the car park. And yours?
It didn't come with mine. It broke down. It has electrical faults. But anyway, my cabman will soon be here to pick me up.
Oh, thanks. Don't worry. I'm ready to be your cabman soon.
Oh, no. I don't want to bother you. No.
I insist. And I'll be glad in that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, you don't mind, let's go.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't tell you this earlier. I was waiting for the right time. Please, no woman has ever loved me the way you love me. Please don't leave me. Please.
Julie, stop this now, please. Take this easy, please.
My brother asked me to shut up and leave our house. He insulted me in the presence of our friend.
You said your daughter Juliet, send it out from my house. Why? Why should she do that? Well, I sense that something is wrong somewhere.
Yes. My enemies have remembered me. They have turned away the face of my daughter with juju. Now that she has made money, they want me to suffer. These people want me to suffer.
It's not an issue of crime. You said your enemy has turned your daughter's face from you.
Exactly.
Now I knew that you wanted your daughter to marry that young man because of his money. But listen, I was told that the young man has terminal disease and he knew he was going to die young.
She had come back here with the money. Is it not all of us that will enjoy it? Will you not eat from it? Will I not give to you?
My friend, then it's your money. Money has been existing before you were born on earth. But if it is your wish, I have given up on you from today. You don't even care about the welfare of your daughter. All the time, money. Money have been in existence before you have been born to this earth. Money.
I don't blame you. It's not your fault. Look at the way she's even talking. Money. You don't even have strength because you don't have money. If she had come to this house with the money, you will have enjoyed from it. I know you are very hungry. That's why you are talking now. You are shaking. It's not your fault. I don't blame you. It's not your fault at all. Money. Without money, can you breathe? Can you breathe?
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, I'm sure it's sweet.
You said you've tried it before.
Hold on, darling.
I know. Stay careful.
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
So, I know you guys can't wait. So let's toast to love.
To love. To friendship. Hey, forgot to sing to eternal love. Cheers.
Cheers, darling.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's kind of like grape. Like grape. Yeah. What?
Nothing.
Luchy,
It's nice actually.
you are looking at him, he is looking at you.
That's why we're friends.
No. Talking eyes. I'm seeing it.
Darling,
Mm-hmm.
you know I love you so much.
Yeah, I know I love you too.
And so I want to take this to the next level. Yeah, darling. Marry me. Be my wife. The mother of my unborn kids. And please don't say no.
I wouldn't even dare. Like, I knew you. Yes. No, I knew because you. I get yes.
She said yes.
Because I saw the sign, I guessed.
Congratulations, my man.
Yes, man.
I knew with you looking at him.
Oh.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Love it.
I'm glad you like it.
I do. You. I knew.
Proud of you, my bro.
Thank you very much,
Hey,
bro.
come on, you didn't tell me you have such money.
What are you saying? She means the world to me.
Well, you can say that again, bro.
Buchi.
Nice. I think it's about time you moved in.
Well, I was thinking it's about time I go see your parents maybe next week.
No. You're serious?
Of course I am. I think I'm ready to get married.
No. Wait.
Yes.
Say it again.
Yes. I am ready to get married.
What?
Yes.
No, say it again.
I've thought about it.
Oh my God, we are in for some serious business.
Mama.
Hey, Mama. Agonia.
Mama.
No.
Oh.
Hey. Let's go,
Mama.
Hey. You know what?
Do you know that since today, my mind has been telling me that I'm going to see you. I'm going to see you. And here I am.
It's good to see you, Mama.
Hi, Sam here. Oh, Mom. Kaibani. Let me bring tea.
Okay, Mama.
Mama is always like that.
It's the air.
Yes, that's what you get in the village.
Wow,
fresh air.
Where's your brother?
He should be around somewhere. Mama, let me help.
Mom.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, sit now.
Sit, Viko. Sit.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm so happy to see both of you.
Oh, Mama. How are you now?
My dear, as you can see, I'm strong and well. Hey! My daughter, I have not stopped praying for you. You're such a wonderful girl with a heart of gold.
Thank you, Mama.
God will not stop blessing you in this life. You must be blessed in this life. Chai! Mom.
I'm extremely happy that you've recovered fully, Mama.
All thanks to you. Hi! You're welcome.
Thank you.
Do you know what? Since morning, my instincts was telling me that you will come. I went to the market. I bought this. I prepared delicious soup.
We're hungry, yeah?
Thank you. Oh, I know you're always hungry. You eat like your father. Do you need help? Don't worry. Sit. Drink it.
Hey. Mama for you.
I kind of like the costume you can see. The color. Kind of like matches.
Bro, good afternoon. Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, Auntie. Bro, let me go and keep my firewood at the back. I'm coming.
All right.
Oh, you're right?
Yeah. So, Mama, we came here to tell you that May has accepted to marry me.
Eh?
Yes.
Say it again.
May has accepted to marry me.
Oh, Mama. Chinekenna. Father, I thank you. You are a good God. You have finally answered my prayers. Hey, Mama. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Do you know I have been praying to God to do this miracle for me? And God has answered my prayer.
Amen.
You're welcome.
Thank
God
you,
has
Mama.
brought you in my house as my daughter-in-law. Child. Father. Hi! Mom. You're welcome. Thank you. Oh. Hi. Welcome. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Mama. Yes, as soon as we leave here, I'll be going to see her people. Because I want this marriage set in a month.
We haven't agreed. They said as soon as possible.
A month.
See, it is good. Do you know if I'm a priest, I would have just wedded both of you right now. I will not wait for tomorrow.
Mama.
Thank you,
It's
Mama.
not done like that. Don't worry. It's not done like that, Mama. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Huh? Oh, yes, Mama. Yes, and meanwhile, I'll stop by to see Uncle Ngozi.
Okay.
Yeah, so I could tell him what's going on.
It's very good.
Yes.
Oh, as you people go, drive carefully. Safe journey. I pray that the road will bow down before you in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
No weapon formed against you shall ever prosper.
Amen.
Oh, Mom, as you go, please, Mayo. Oh, Mayo.
No problem, Mama.
Oh, Mom.
Thank you.
You go. Mayo.
I will. I will. Huh?
I'm behind you. We have girls stuff to discuss. Girls talk.
Gossip. It's alright, Mama.
Okay. You jump, Mama.
Alright.
Oh, jump. Ozokwa, me. After how you spent on me in the hospital.
Mama, it's just a token for you to take care of yourself. I like seeing you strong like this.
This girl. Any money you give somebody is token, no matter how big the money is. This money that is enough to last me for the whole year. You are calling it a token. It's between us. I like this, your token. I want token to be coming to me token.
Mama.
Oh, Mom, God bless you.
Brother, are you going?
Oh. We are going.
Thank you.
Hi! Mom.
Brother, let me get you some more.
No, don't worry.
Maybe some other time, huh? Okay, okay, Mama. Bye, Mama.
Hi. Ijeoma, no?
Okay, bye.
Nenego.
That's my money.
Oh yeah, bring it. Give me. When they give you money, give it to your mother. That's how they do it. Yeah? Hi.
Okay, now Julie. Julie?
Friends, thank you so much. Thank you very, very much.
It's alright. Just take good care of her. What happened to her exactly? I saw her walking on the road like a mad woman.
She lost her husband.
What? When?
He died the day after their wedding. And since then, she's been behaving strangely.